There are snails in every state in the United States, along with many countries around the world. A lot of people love snails, but there's also people who find them to be pests. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to find them and or trap them humanely. First, you need to know this about snails. They love moisture and wet areas. So the last place you'll find them is in a sunny spot. With that being said, look in your plants that are in the shade. Usually snails will be hiding in plants with leaves. It's a nice cool resting spot where they can avoid danger. In places like California, you can find snails alongside your house. Sometimes you can even find these snails along your roof. But for the people who don't want snails in their yard, here's how to trap them humanely. Take a 1 to 2 foot board and rest it gently on the ground. Lift the other end up 1 inch and pour water on the wood and on the ground beneath it. All of the snails will congregate under this board. After 24 hours, go check back and you'll see all the snails. Please be sure to release them humanely and do not kill them. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you find the snails you were looking for.